We are final year student of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Gitanjali Institute of Technical Studies, Udaipur, Rajasthan. Now we will discuss the title of our project, that is Solar Powered LED Street Light with Auto Intensity Control, submitted as part of Phase 1 for Texas Instruments India Analog Design Contest 2013-14 under the guidance of Mr. Saurabh Porwal, Assistant Professor of ECE Department. The main objective behind this project is to design LED-based street light with auto intensity control using solar power from the photovoltaic cells. This is the complete setup of our project. This setup consists of 5 parts: a solar panel section, a voltage regulator circuit, a charge controller circuit, an adjustable voltage regulator, and a controller unit. Here we have used a 12-volt solar panel which converts the solar energy into the electrical energy, and this electrical energy will store into the battery during the daytime. Now here it is a voltage regulator circuit. This circuit consists of L7806 IC made by National Semiconductor. Voltage regulator circuit is designed to automatically maintain a constant voltage level. It gives about 6-volt voltage at its output. Now this is a charge control circuit. A charge control circuit is used to take care of the charging of battery from solar panel and also protection like under battery, that is when battery voltage falls below minimum value and overload. Now this breadboard consists 2 circuits, adjustable voltage regulator circuit and a controller unit. Here red wire shows VCC and input, yellow wire shows connections, green wire shows output, and black wire shows ground. Now here it is an adjustable voltage regulator circuit. It consists of LM317 IC which is made by Texas Instruments. These ICs have 3 ports: input, output, and an adjustment port. A variable resistor of 2K is connected to its adjustment port. By varying the value of this resistor, we can vary the output voltage of this circuit between 1.8 volt to 3.6 volt. Now, this is a controller unit. This consists of MSP430G2231 microcontroller. This is a 14-pin IC. The first pin of microcontroller is connected to the VCC and the 14th pin of microcontroller is connected to the ground. Now, this circuit also consists of LDR, light dependent resistor, whose resistance decreases with increasing the light, or its resistance changes according to the light falling on it. It automatically switches on light when the sunlight goes below the visible region of our eyes, that is in the evening after sunset, and it automatically off the light at the morning. Now, when we apply 6-volt voltage from the battery to the adjustable voltage regulator, this gives around 3.5 to 3.6 volt voltage at its output. This 3.6 volt voltage is applied at the VCC of microcontroller MSP430G2231. Now we can see that when light falling on the LDR, LEDs does not glow. Now, when we block the light falling on the LDR, then alternate LEDs are glowing. It shows that there is a less darkness. But when we completely block the light falling on the LDR, then all the LEDs are glowing. It shows that there is a complete darkness. So now, by using this automatic system for street light controlling, we can reduce energy consumption because the manually operated street lights are not switched off and on properly at the time. The best part of this project is that it utilizes MSP430 microcontroller by Texas Instruments, which is an ultra low power microcontroller. Thus, the smart controller circuit wire also work on minimum power and do not need much of current. Or as per the requirement of Texas Instruments Analog Design Contest, we have used 2 analog IC, L7806 and LM317, and a microcontroller MSP430 in this project.